How to fix File Explorer not responding in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your Start menu and then search for Task Manager. Now, open Task Manager. After that, what you will have to do is go to End Task. So first, find fileexplorer.exe. After finding that, tap on it and then tap on End Task. Now go to Run New Task and then search for file.exe and then OK. Second method is go to your Start menu and then search for File Explorer options. Open this. Now in this View section, in this General section, scroll down and then make sure all these buttons are in this way. And now open File Explorer 2 and then select this PC and done. Simply tap on apply and then OK. And your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.